Hi everyone, this is Jacob from ImmersiveMath.com. Today we'll talk about systems of linear equations, and they pop up in a lot of different situations in the real world. For instance, in this real-world problem. Given a number of images of an object, how to calculate a three-dimensional model of that object. So we start out with these four images, and they are very generously provided by Carl Olsson at Lund University. And he and his colleagues, Enquist and Carl, have also developed the algorithm that we are going to show the results of. So assume that we have these four images, and then we also have some other 600 similar images. What the algorithm does is that it finds correspondences between these images. For instance, perhaps this part of the window here, it finds that this matches this part of the same window in another image. And then these correspondences give rise to linear equations. And after having solved these systems of linear equations, you get a 3D model like you can see here. So this three-dimensional model looks much more interesting when you start rotating it, because otherwise it's a little bit hard to see the three-dimensional structure. Another thing that I think is interesting is to move around this three-dimensional model by using your right mouse button and moving around. On Mac, it's two-finger press on the touchpad, and on iPad, it's two-finger stroke. And by doing that, you could rotate and see it yourself from any angle. And perhaps the most interesting, I think, is to rotate it and see it from the top, because then you could see how well this algorithm actually does. This wall here is completely straight, and these towers are perfect cylinders. So it just goes to show how well this algorithm works. So in this chapter, we'll talk about Gaussian elimination, and that is a way to solve systems of linear equations. So we hope that this example from the real world has made you perhaps a little bit more interested in learning about systems of linear equations and Gaussian elimination. See you next time. Bye.